2025 Nissan Altima. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. It's designed to adapt to meet your daily demands with its lane departure warning, satellite radio, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, wood grain trim, backup camera, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.